For small business, particularly self-employed individuals and micro-businesses with 4 or fewer employees, bookkeeping has always been a real chore. But improvements in information technology encouraged us to believe in self-driving cars and online accounting software that produces financial statements automatically at the press of a button or the click of a mouse. Maybe one day self-driving cars will be a reality. But right now, ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft look like the real winners. And tax compliance for small businesses is getting more difficult and expensive, not less. At SBA Canada, we know we can't do much to make income tax simpler, but accounting for our smallest businesses does not have to be that hard. First, we need to accept that paying $70 a month for accounting software and watching a few YouTube videos won't transform an electrician, a programmer, or a carpenter into an accounting technician. Today's online accounting software packages don't really have audit trails. Since the early days of the Renaissance, accounting transactions were first recorded in journals and then posted to ledgers. For some reason, systems designers must have decided that journals were simply a superfluous intermediate step in the accounting process. Accountants segregate transactions into their component parts and post each component to their final resting spot in the general ledger. But they leave the journal intact so that the audit trail remains. That doesn't happen in today's online accounting packages. Today's systems do allow for machine learning and thereby increase throughput. Unfortunately, they assume that small business users with no accounting experience understand what the component parts of an accounting transaction are. So, the users entrusted with training the machine don't always understand what they're doing. This allows them to make a lot of mistakes very quickly. At the same time, the lack of an audit trail makes it very difficult for an accountant to review. The end result is that it's often faster for a skilled technician to rebuild a year's worth of accounting data from scratch than to correct an improperly prepared set of books.